When it comes to replacing doors in your home or business, choosing the right material is crucial. Not only does the material affect the overall aesthetics, but it also plays a significant role in durability, energy efficiency, security, and maintenance. For residents of Fayetteville, where the climate can vary from hot summers to cold winters, the right door material can help in maintaining comfort and lowering energy costs. In this guide, we will explore the best door materials for replacement, helping you make an informed decision that suits your needs. Wood doors. Classic elegance wooden doors are a timeless option, offering unmatched elegance and a natural aesthetic. Whether you choose a solid wood door or a more affordable engineered wood option, these doors can be customized with different finishes and colors to match your home's style. Advantages. Aesthetic appeal. Wood doors can add a rustic charm or a sophisticated look, depending on your choice of wood and finish. Energy efficiency. Wood naturally provides insulation, helping to keep the temperature in your home consistent. Durability. With proper care, wood doors can last for many years. Considerations. Maintenance. Wood doors require regular upkeep to prevent warping, cracking, or fading. They should be sealed or painted to protect them from the elements, especially in Fayetteville's humid summer months. Cost. High-quality wood doors can be expensive, so it's important to budget accordingly. Fiberglass doors. Strong and low-maintenance fiberglass doors have gained popularity in recent years for their durability and low-maintenance properties. These doors mimic the appearance of wood but offer better insulation and weather resistance. Advantages. Low maintenance. Unlike wood, fiberglass doesn't require frequent painting or sealing. It's resistant to warping, cracking, and fading. Energy efficient. Fiberglass doors are highly energy efficient, which is ideal for Fayetteville's fluctuating temperatures. They help reduce heating and cooling costs by providing excellent insulation. Variety of styles. Fiberglass can be molded into various designs, giving you flexibility in choosing the style of your door. Considerations. Potential for damage. While durable, fiberglass can be more prone to cracks or dents from heavy impacts compared to steel. Cost. Fiberglass doors are often more expensive than steel doors but offer more aesthetic appeal than some metal options. Steel doors. Security and durability. For homeowners who prioritize security and durability, steel doors are an excellent choice. These doors are incredibly tough and provide superior protection against intruders, weather, and wear and tear. Advantages. Enhanced security. Steel doors are among the most secure options available. They provide resistance to forced entry and are incredibly strong. Energy efficiency. Steel doors often come with an insulating core, making them highly energy efficient and capable of reducing your heating and cooling costs. Affordability. Steel doors are generally more affordable than wood or fiberglass, making them a great option for budget-conscious homeowners. Considerations. Aesthetic limitations. While steel doors are functional and secure, they may lack the aesthetic appeal of wood doors. However, they can be finished with paint or textured coatings to improve their appearance. Susceptibility to rust. Over time, steel doors can rust, especially in areas with high humidity like Fayetteville. However, regular maintenance, such as repainting or sealing, can prevent this issue. Aluminum doors. Lightweight and modern aluminum doors are another durable option, offering a modern, sleek appearance with excellent resistance to the elements. These doors are particularly suitable for contemporary homes or commercial properties. Advantages: lightweight and durable. Aluminum doors are lightweight but still offer good durability and resistance to the elements. Low maintenance. Aluminum requires minimal upkeep and is resistant to corrosion, making it a great choice for areas with high humidity. Modern appearance. Aluminum doors can be finished in a variety of colors and styles to fit a modern aesthetic. Considerations. Insulation. While aluminum doors can have insulating cores, they may not offer as much natural insulation as wood or fiberglass doors. Cost. Aluminum doors can be more expensive than steel options, but they may be less costly than high-end wood doors. Glass doors. Natural light and modern appeal glass doors are ideal for those looking to create a seamless connection between their interior and exterior spaces. They're particularly popular for patio doors or entryways that lead to gardens or decks. Advantages. Natural light. Glass doors allow for ample natural light, brightening up your home or business. Aesthetic appeal. Glass doors have a sleek, modern appearance that can make your entryway stand out. Energy efficiency. Double-glazed glass doors can offer excellent insulation, helping to regulate indoor temperatures. Considerations. Security concerns. Glass doors can be vulnerable to break-ins if not equipped with the proper security features, such as tempered glass or a steel frame. Maintenance. Glass doors require regular cleaning to maintain their clarity and appearance. Conclusion: choosing the best door material for replacement in Fayetteville ultimately depends on your priorities, whether it's security, energy efficiency, aesthetics, or budget. Wood doors offer timeless elegance, while fiberglass and steel doors provide durability and energy efficiency. Aluminum and glass doors bring modern appeal and lightweight convenience. By carefully considering the climate in Fayetteville, as well as your specific needs and preferences, you can select the door material that will best serve your home or business for years to come. Be sure to consult with a professional door installer to ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance.